Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to be good at CSS. Start by building a strong foundation in the core principles. Focus on the box model, understanding how elements occupy space with their content, padding, border, and margin. Next, dive deep into CSS selectors and specificity, which are crucial for applying styles exactly where you want them. Finally, master the cascade and inheritance to predict how styles will be applied and overridden. Once you have the fundamentals down, move on to mastering layout techniques. Flexbox is essential for arranging items in a single row or column, offering powerful alignment and distribution options. For more complex, two-dimensional layouts, CSS Grid is your go-to tool, allowing you to create intricate structures with ease. Don't forget responsive design. Use media queries to ensure your layouts adapt beautifully across various screen sizes, from small phones to large desktops. To truly excel, delve into advanced styling and performance. Optimize your CSS by writing efficient selectors and minimizing unnecessary reflows, which can significantly improve page load times. Custom properties, also known as CSS variables, are incredibly useful for creating maintainable and dynamic styles, allowing you to change values globally with ease. Consider exploring CSS preprocessors like sass or less to leverage features such as nesting, mixins, and functions, making your style sheets more powerful. The only way to truly master CSS is through consistent practice and real-world application. Build a variety of projects, from simple components to full-page layouts, to solidify your understanding and experiment with different techniques. Make it a habit to regularly consult official documentation and stay informed about new CSS features and browser support. Finally, engage with the developer community. Collaborating with others can expose you to new ideas and best practices, accelerating your learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.